I am Dimitrov, Vice Prime Minister for European Affairs of North Macedonia. Great pleasure to be here at Brdo in Slovenia today. I'd like to express our appreciation for the invitation of the Slovenian presidency. It really makes sense for the countries of the region to be here with the member states of the European Union. The topic is towards a more resilient European Union after the COVID-19 crisis. We all know that the virus, the persistent virus, knows no borders, has no knowledge of membership status or candidate status of countries. Given our geography, we are surrounded by member states. We should do this together with the EU. So I very much look forward to that discussion. Of course, we will probably raise the issue of accession and enlargement. I mentioned the word crisis. It comes from the etymology of a decisive point. I think under the Slovenian presidency in the next weeks and months, we very much reach this decisive point. We will either restore the credibility of the European Union in the Balkans, or we will lose it. And I think we very much rely on the crafts and the wisdom of our Slovenian friends to actually make it and not break it. Thank you.